All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back. Hopefully everybody's excited on this lovely Tuesday. Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning, Michael, Kathleen, everyone. Good to see you all. Randy, good to see you all. Good. Looks like everybody's logged in, ready to go for this morning's meeting. See, we got a couple of things that are moving. You know what? Terrible this morning. I hate keep saying this, but it has not been a very exciting pre-market. But you know what? We only need one stock, and you know what? The only thing I'm finding that's moving is the BPTH. If you look right here, I mean, that was actually the first stock on the watch list in the pre-market watch list. I'll just put it up again. And there was literally like three stocks. I was like literally like straggling to try to find something. But around 8 o'clock, the stock was around 750. And then you could see it had a really nice push, ran all the way to $8, about 814, 817 right now. Stock is doing pretty well. And you know, some of you remember the stock in February of last year. We traded, went from $4, and then it gapped up, went all the way to almost 25. It was a great short squeeze. It came right back down. But as of right now, it's moving in the pre-market pretty nicely. So that pretty much, I mean, that's the only thing that's going. Now let's talk about yesterday. Listen, I told you Mondays are not always the greatest days. Come back from the weekend. We just recovered here on Long Island, where we're located in New York, of a hurricane, which was not that bad. I just know a lot of people just came back over the weekend, you know, came home from the Hamptons area. So because of heavy rains, it got hit a little bit more there, but we just got more hit with that. But other than that, Friday, you know, it was a pretty decent day, but Monday, yesterday, not so bad. I lost a couple $100. I didn't lose that much, you know, but nobody likes to lose, right? So anyway, let's see what's going on for Tuesday. Let's see what's moving. And we're going to go over a couple of things. What's going to be what's going on today? Because today we got a lot of events going on today, so we really expect you guys to be there. And let's talk about what happened as of yesterday. Let me just move this chart right here. By the way, that BPTH is doing pretty well. So anyway, we had a stock called GOEV yesterday. You could see that stock right here. I'll make this nice and big so you guys could see it nicely. That stock moved really nice right at the morning hours, ran from 610 all the way up to about 10 o'clock, ran to about 680. Nice move, nice trend, had a couple of nasty shakes right here. And then, you know, over the course of the day, she kind of went up nice and slow. And then all of a sudden, you had to get lucky to hit these around these 1 o'clock movers and 2 o'clock movers. And then it had a nice little move going into the close. You could see there right around the 315, it ran from like 730 all the way up to the last minute, ran to that high of 790. So that was a really nice move for us as of yesterday. Another stock, another late bloomer, came out of nowhere. Let me tell you, the morning was not that good. It was more, you know, better in the afternoon. The SPRT, nice little pop right there. You could see it here at 3:30. You came in a little late, jumped in, 10:30 all the way to 11:30. Stock ran $1. $1 and 1,000 shares, $1,000 every do that every day. You're talking the $250,000 that you're looking for. Hell, if you only got 20%, 20 cents of that, you're talking a nice $50,000 salary anyway. Another stock that we traded that move was PXLW. I spelled it wrong. PXLW. There we go. Another stock, nice little trend. Didn't do a really nice move early in the morning. Did this nice big slingshot, came right back down. Once it finally broke this resistance levels around 520, and you could see it had a nice pop, did a little bit of shake, nice pop, but it wasn't as nice as the other one. So it wasn't overall, the morning stunk. The afternoon was a lot better, and you know, that's a typical Monday. Now let's talk about what's going on Tuesday. All right, so Tuesday, we all know Tuesday is the best part of the week. Norman says PWLX is a teaser from the time to time. It was a teaser, Norman, and you know what? But you know that sometimes this is good for beginner traders, like level 1 traders just starting out, getting your feet wet and so on. But when it comes to something with a little bit more action, the other ones were a lot better. Now, a couple other stocks that are making some decent moves, we're going to check them out. We got, first of all, a donut. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but you know, I've been a fan of Krispy Kreme. I haven't bought it back, but I'm considering buying it back. They came out with some pretty good earnings. They beat earnings. And, you know, listen, not only being a day trader, you could be a swing trader too. That's how you learn. And donut, I mean, listen, they said that they had a couple of big upgrades from Morgan Stanley. They said a $24 stock. Somebody else said again $18 target. Forgot who it was. I was reading up on it, but that one obviously doing pretty well. A couple of the other stocks are doing pretty well. We know about Pfizer. We also know about TCAT. That looks like that's moving pretty well. I'm gonna throw on a watch list too. TCAT stock is such a teaser. Listen, I don't see that much going on, but overall, it looks like it's moving pretty decently right now. TCAT, that's those NFT stocks that we looked at. So we got that one. We got let's go check back the BPTH. So that one, we're already at 20. So it's going up nice and steady. I like the push. It's not going crazy. Just once again, always think about taking a profit. You can't go broke, especially in the summertime. You know what? Tip of the day, always start off and it's always nice to be positive. Don't try to kill it. You always want to start green. Don't start red. And when you do start red, you got to get back to green. So always keep an eye on your account manager and make sure that you always look to take the money. Another stock that moved pretty nicely yesterday, SPRT. It's the same thing. I'm going to run it from yesterday. I'm going to put it in today. Looks like it's testing those highs from yesterday, right around 1150. 2-week high right there. Decent stock. Just be very careful with the spread and the tier sizes on that one. DI came up on my watch list. She gapped up pretty big this morning, but it looks like she's on her way down a little bit more of an ETF though. I would be careful about that. And then I know some of you are talking about a lot of the Chinese stocks are moving pretty well. Tiger, Alibaba, all those look like they're doing pretty well. Market's up 52 points. So Frank made some money, made 36 cents on BPTH. All right, there you go, Frank. Let's give him a round of applause. Let me share that with that was a nice little move right there, Frank. Share that with everyone in there. Nice for being, starting out in pre-market. Listen, you only need one to make a day's pay. That's all about it. So don't get too cocky and don't get too greedy. I think yesterday I traded a little bit more than I wanted to. And I wasn't down that much, but then I started catching myself. Every time I started trading more, I started losing more. I said, enough's enough. Once I passed that 10:30 time zone, I was done. But listen, there's not that much out there that's moving. I mean, there's only those couple of stocks that have some nice moves, and that pretty much does it. So BPTH already at 24 cents. Not bad. It's moving pretty decent. Nice little trend right there. Now, what we got going on, listen, two big events that are going on. Today at 2 o'clock, we're going to have an open house. So if you're watching on YouTube, Facebook Live, if some of you are trial members, some of you, if you can go out there, share on social media, we're going to be doing, we haven't done one in a few weeks, but today we're going to do an intro and about Cybertrade University and talk a little bit about level 3 and level 4. We usually do it at 12, but today we're going to do it at 2 o'clock. We're going to change it up a little bit. And we usually do it on a Thursday. We do it on Tuesday. And also today we're doing Traders Talk. It's a weekly event that we do here in the Cyber Group room. So, once again, it's one of the benefits you get by being a trader in the trading room. So Josh is going to send out an email, send in your journals, you're going to pick somebody's out, and we're going to go through it. And remember, the goal is not to learn how to make money, it's how to learn how to stop losing it. That is the whole lingo that we do here at Cybertrade University. Once you learn to stop losing money, the winners kind of take care of themselves. So we'll see you back here at 2:30 if you're watching YouTube, Facebook Live. If you're in the Cyber Group room, we'll see you here at Traders Talk at 11, and then don't forget, everybody, here at 2 o'clock we're going to have open house here at Cybertrade University. Just go to our website, you can register there online. All right, guys, good luck, happy trading, be safe. We're going to start commentary in the market once at 9:30 once the market opens up. Just don't get too cocky today. All right, everybody, happy trading, everyone.